Determine the bearing of P from Q, or we prefer to say, determine the bearing of P as taken from Q. We first need to identify the line segment PQ. Because the bearing of P is taken from Q, we need that line segment, and we have it right there. From Q, what do we mean from Q? It means that the angle that represents the bearing is located at Q. The bearing is taken from Q. The angle will be at Q, and the bearing is measured from north. We therefore need to include that north line. And where do we include the north line? Well, we have them there already. We just probably need to highlight them, or highlight the one that we are interested in. That one must be located at Q, since the bearing is taken from Q and that angle is located at Q. The angle that represents the bearing must go in a clockwise direction, beginning at north. We begin at north and we go in a clockwise direction. The angle that represents the bearing must go in a clockwise direction from north until we meet the line segment PQ. Go from north until we are in contact with the line segment PQ. Let us show that angle on the diagram. That is your angle that goes in a clockwise direction from north until we are in contact with the line segment that goes between P and Q. There is an angle on a straight line. Now we are about to find this large angle that represents the bearing. And of course we have this 56 degrees here. We have this 77 degrees here. We should also know this angle, and we will pay attention to it in a subsequent audiovisual. But right now, let us take a look at the angle all the way around here. We have 56, we have 77. The rest of it is the angle on a straight line. So that angle is 180 degrees, and the bearing will be completed by those other two angles. The sum of those three angles is 313 degrees, and that represents the bearing of P as taken from Q.
Download Richard James Mathematics Resources app from the Google Play Store and have all of your examination solutions, instructional manuals, and other electronic books and booklets in one place. Also, have all of our products and services at your fingertips and on the go. Call or WhatsApp 876-351-9689 or 876-318-8848 for all hard copy books and booklets to complement your studies. Significant discounts will be given to everyone who is registered with any of our programs.